Hi everyone, welcome back to my page. Subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notification for tips on digital products. But for now, let's jump right into 10 digital products to sell for Q4 on Etsy. First up, digital vision board. A digital vision board is a collage of images, words, and affirmations created on a computer or tablet to represent your goals for the year. Instead of using poster boards and magazines, buyers can drag and drop photos into a Canva template, save it to their phone or desktop, and keep their goals visible every day. Now, when you look across Etsy, you'll see that a lot of these vision boards, digital vision boards, are bestsellers. And that's really exciting. You want to see something that is high and in demand. And when you click through for inspiration for what you want to what you want to create, click on the ones, make sure you pay attention to the ones that have 20 in cart. Those are the ones that are showing you exactly how to have your listing set up. Also, I love being able to look at the different styles. Now, what I use is eRank's extension, and it helps me to be able to figure out which tags to use if I'm going to create this product. And I love to be able to get an estimate of the sales that the current listing that I'm looking at has and how long they've had this product listing. So, yeah, I definitely love using eRank. eRank is great because it helps me to use keyword research, track my competitors, top sellers, trends, pricing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when you click through on the keyword research. You'll just type inside that search box certain keywords that you want to use, and you'll get a chance to see, how competitive, how much is it being used on Etsy and how many people are searching it, as well as I love looking up the trends so that way I can be able to determine what is trending right now, what do I need to create, and it lets you look on this page. It only shows you that it goes for yesterday, past 7 days, and past 30 days, but there's another page that you can go and see like what was trending last year, and that really helps. So by the way, I use eRank to research all the keywords and see what's trending. So it shows me sales estimates, tags, and competition, so I know what's worth making. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. Next up is going to be our holiday budget planner. A holiday budget planner helps shoppers track gift sending, meal costs, and travel expenses so they can enjoy the season without overspending. Digital planners are easy to edit in Canva or print at home, making them perfect for busy families during Q4. As you look across Etsy right now, you're not going to really see a lot of holiday planners, but like this one is really nice, and it also has 20 in cart already, and it's only August. So that is a great thing to see that this product is still in demand. We're going to take a look at a few other ones. One of the things about a budget planner is you can do different styles. It doesn't have to be something printable. You can do something like this, which is for an iPad. It's a digital planner. And let's take a look and see what other ones are coming up. Oh, okay, so something like this, a spreadsheet. So you can definitely do Google Sheets if you're into that type of thing. And this is another one that right now is not showing in demand, but it's going to be highly searched. And next up, we have a Christmas coupon book. Now, for printable Christmas coupons, there are fun, low cost gifts for families and couples. Think movie night, homemade dinner, or free car wash. They're quick to design and perfect for last minute shoppers in December. And so just taking a look across Etsy to see, wow, something like this is really nice. You got big hug, foot rub, and it's a nice, cute, Christmassy design um, that is easy to get across what the point is for those Christmas coupons. I'm going to keep scrolling down. Oh, these ones are really cute. Nice little, looks like gingham pattern design. As well, once again, I'm going to open up the eRank extension just to kind of see 31 cells and looking at the tags and seeing like what's in demand and things of that sort. Yeah, this is going to be a really good one to do for the holidays. Next up, we've got the holiday party game. And so now for New Year's party games, or for holiday party games, a party game is just you can include trivia, bingo, and icebreaker games for your parties and celebrations. These are high in demand seasonal products because buyers want ready to print entertainment for gatherings. So straight away, I see like this office party one. This one is really, really, really nice for office parties, and it will be a great addition. I'm going to keep scrolling and see what other ones can I come across. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, wow, this Christmas movie trivia one. This one is really, really going to be nice and easy to keep people entertained while the cleanup is going on or the cooking is going on. These printable games are so, so, so much fun. Next up, we have a digital recipe card. Digital recipe cards let foodies share and organize favorite holiday dishes in a stylish way. Edible Canva templates make them versatile for bloggers, bakers, and home chefs. So we're going to take a look on Etsy to see what sorts of recipe cards. As always, these are going to be really, really, really high in demand and always going to have bestsellers. The price point for these are very small, so you'll want to make sure that you do a lot of listings. Look at this one straight away for Christmas cookies. So cute. A simple card that you can just print, mock up, and sell. Have it ready to sell to your customer. Let me keep scrolling. Next up is going to be a self-care journal. And so a self-care journal is designed to help users reflect, decompress, and stay mindful, especially during the busy holiday season. Minimalist layouts and calming prompts make it appealing year-round. Now, we know that self-care journals and planners and things like that are really, really popular on Etsy. So it matters on how you make yours specific to your audience. Like you need to create the planner to focus specifically on someone. So, or a certain audience like this ADHD one. Here is one that I found in Canva, just a quick layout of, what a printable planner could look like. You can also use this one for digital as well. So next up, we have a 2026 goal tracker. Lots of people want to get organized for their goals at the end of the year. So a yearly goal tracker helps buyers map out personal and professional milestones for the year ahead. This product peaks in late December and January when resolutions and planning tools are trending. And so once again, planners, trackers, things like these are popular on Etsy. So you want to speak directly to your audience for specifics on what you want. So that way you can have it really, really niche down and you'll have a better chance of ranking for a specific niche. Next up, photography price list. So now photography price list is a clean branded way for photographers to share their services and packages. These templates sell well during holiday portrait season when photographers are updating their marketing. And so let's just take a look on Etsy and see what is available. And so straight away, we see a lot of these here on Etsy and lots of different styles. Once again, you want to focus on specific niches for this so that way you can really capture your customer. Like this one in particular, this is a sports photography package list. Next up, edible gift tags. Edible gift tags are customizable holiday labels for presents, often sold as a multi-PDF or Canva template. They're quick, low-cost product with high appeal during December gift wrapping season. So many cute designs here on Etsy. This one is even for Halloween. You don't have to wait just until the holidays of Christmas. So very, very, very nice gift tags. And next up is going to be the holiday pet tracker. So now for the holiday pet tracker, I'm just going to look up pet tracker. You can customize it so that way it can fit for the Christmas holidays, but it's just simply for people to leave information for the sitter for whenever they're going out of town if they're leaving their pets. So if you want even more details plus Canva screenshots, and links to get started, I've put the full list with tips on my blog at richnichesociety.com. check the first link in the description and you'll have the direct link to my blog. Thank you all so much today. I cannot wait for Q4.